I can't believe it. Really done it this time. Hey, PeaRoy, you in there? PeaRoy.
Yeah, well, come on in, Mr. Rick. Yeah, come on in.
Yeah. Good morning, Mr. Rick.
Well, good morning, Carl. Would you mind telling me...
Have a seat.
Don't get smart. Would you mind telling me why I found these in my garbage can?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I can kind of explain it. Well, I was out there in the yard with my air rifle and all, and I seen them come around, and well, you know what a good shot I am. I pull the first one down first.
And?
Well, I shot the second one and it fell too, and
Didn't you read my name? After you shot the first one down, didn't you read my name on there? Rick L. Wilson. It's got my telephone number.
I can answer that there, Mr. Rick. He can't read or write, no, sir. In fact, I have to read a good book to him. Every once in a while, I read a good book to him.
well, you know, I seen on TV there where they was a bunch of them drone things that flying around and spying on you and all, and well, I thought I was doing you a favor, and I guess not, huh?
Now, wait a minute, PeaRoy. Don't you turn this around on me.
Well, like I said, I thought I was doing you a favor, see, and 'cause I never did go to school. Well, I never did go to proper school anyway, and Mama never did teach me how to read or write. So,
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. Rick.
Okay, both of you. Please don't shoot any more of these down. They're mine.
Well,
All right. I'm gonna go see if I can fix these.
yes. Okay, Mr. Rick, I won't shoot that down unless it's got wings.
No, sir, I ain't gonna let him shoot nothing else down, Mr. Rick. I ain't gonna let him. Is he gone yet?
Yeah, he's gone. Woo! That was a close one, wasn't it, Carl?
Now, that was close. Hey, look here, Carl. Thank you for throwing that part in there about reading a good book. That really helped. You welcome.
Yeah, well, I know I shouldn't listen to you, Carl, but I'll listen to you next time. Good Lord, he got upset about that, didn't he? I hate that. Anyway, all right, then. Hey, let's cook us some biscuits, you don't think?
Yes, sir. Let's eat some biscuits.